Hello, welcome to the next episode of Oriflame Nail Care Academy. Today I will show you how to paint your nails like a professional. I always paint them after a shower because then the nails and the cuticles are soft and easy to work on. Okay, let's get started. First, I file the nails to get the desired shape. I like this square look, but you should definitely go for the shape that suits you best. If you have a coat of old polish on your nails, you should obviously start by removing it with the nail polish remover. When filing nails, always do it in one direction only. Once I'm done with filing, I gently buff my nails. It makes the surface smooth and helps the nails to absorb the base coat better. As you can see, my nails are not painted, but I still wipe them with a cotton pad soaked with nail polish remover. This way I remove the natural oils on my nails to make the polish stick better to the surface and simply last longer. I always start painting nails with a base coat. Before applying any nail polish on my nails, I gently rub the bottle between my hands to warm it. Just remember, do not shake the bottle so as not to create air bubbles inside it. They may appear later on the surface of your nails and ruin the end result. Now take a generous amount of base on the brush and start applying it on the nails. Try to cover the whole surface with 3 strokes. Start from the center and then paint the sides of the nails. Otherwise, the base coat gets too thick, it dries slowly and smudges easily. When you finish applying the base on the second hand, the first should already be dry and ready for the color polish. Today, I chose Pure Color Nail Polish in True Red shade. Apply the color nail polish the same way as the base. After finishing the first coat on both hands, you can start applying the second coat on the hand that was painted first. Okay, now a double coat of polish is already on my nails, so I'll just finish my manicure with a top coat, which gives additional shine to your nails and helps the nail polish last longer. If you have gotten some extra polish on the sides of your nails or on the cuticles, don't worry. Just take a cotton swab, soak it with nail polish remover and clean the skin around the nail area. To make your nail polish dry quicker, dip your fingertips in a bowl of cold water. Just for a few seconds. That's enough for the low temperature to harden the polish. When I'm absolutely sure that the nail polish has dried well, I rub nail butter on the sides of my nails and on the cuticles to nourish and moisturize them. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. Next time I will tell you how to restore your natural nail color. See you soon!